Are you thinking of selling on Amazon, even though it seems like it might be super crowded? Is there enough space for you and for your new trademark on the Amazon platform? How many other sellers will you be competing against for a similar trademark name on Amazon? If you want to find out what I think about these issues, then make sure you hit subscribe and that you continue watching this video till the very end, because I want to let you in on a little secret. Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez. I am arts music lawyer on Instagram. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about trademarks as we usually do on this trademark lawyer channel. I definitely want to touch more on Amazon. Amazon is such a hot platform. It seems like every day there are more and more sellers that enter the marketplace. Now there are others who enter the Amazon marketplace thinking, I'm gonna blow this out of the water. I don't care how much money it costs me because I know I'm going to be successful. Now, when you enter the Amazon marketplace, if you are going to be doing FBA, you do have the option of registering a trademark so that you can have a unique name and then take advantage of benefits of the brand registry. Now, if you're new, you're wondering what in the heck is the brand registry? Well, the brand registry is a register of people who have a registered trademark that are using that name, that registered name, on the Amazon platform. Those people are then entitled to use really cool marketing tactics and special resources that are only available to those who have registered their trademark. And that will enable you to touch your customer in a more profound way. So what do I mean by that? Well, Amazon it's a flooded marketplace. It does not mean that there isn't room for you. In other words, there can be room for you. So when you are on the Amazon platform, I'm sure that one of your goals is definitely to stand out, because in a crowded marketplace, who doesn't want to stand out, right? You want to touch base with your customer in the most impactful way possible. So how can you do that on the Amazon brand registry? Like I said, if you already have a registered trademark, then you will be able to take advantage of these marketing tools. So for example, if you want to show off a certain product with really cool video content, maybe you have a video that shows customers how to use your product, how to go from step 1 to step 4. But there are lots of people that are really visual. So they love watching videos about how to use your product because it might help lower your return rates and it might increase conversions, which is what everybody wants on Amazon at the end of the day, right? You want to sell through your product really quick. And now that's a good problem to have, because there are some people that say, oh my gosh, I'm running out of product. I'm going to have to order more. And then Amazon's payout isn't for another 30 days. Where am I going to get the money? But if you start off at a good speed, then you should be able to self-fund until you get to a point where it's a no-brainer as to how much inventory you should be ordering, because you're just getting massive amounts of orders. But I digress, because in this video, we're talking more about Amazon brand registry and how you're going to touch your customer in a more profound and impactful way so that you increase conversions. And you're going to do all of this through a registered trademark. Now, what about Simple Sally, who might not have a registered trademark? What does she use? Well, Simple Sally is not going to be able to take advantage of the brand registry. Simple Sally does not have access to the video content. Simple Sally is also not going to be able to have her own storefront page or site. So another cool feature is that Amazon will actually let you have a page set up, and it's exclusively for your brand. So if you sell multiple products on Amazon, let's say you sell watches and you sell electronic devices and you sell clothes, you will be able to highlight all of that on your storefront page. So it makes it really easy for people to be like, what do you offer? And then they'll just click one button, they'll see the storefront page, and they'll be able to buy, more of your products. So compare that to somebody who's just browsing and perusing Amazon and they land on Simple Sally's page. If Simple Sally doesn't have a website or just a simple web page where people can see everything that Simple Sally sells, then they might just type in the search tool or the search bar what else they might be looking for, and they'll come up across somebody else's page. So then they might add more products to their Amazon cart, but they won't all be from Simple Sally's storefront. So you catch my drift. By having a registered trademark, you are also able to not only use the marketing tools available to you on Amazon, but you are also going to be able to stop infringing sellers. So I have gotten calls from sellers who say, okay, this person has jumped on my listing. They're now selling items that are exactly like mine. And how do I get them off? Now, it's no secret that on Amazon, the competition is cutthroat and people get really pissed off when you hijack their listings. So what they'll do sometimes is they'll purchase all of your inventory in hopes that you go down to zero and then you don't come back. There are times when they file a claim against you if they have a registered trademark, and they'll claim that you were infringing on their trademark. And then guess what? Not only will they try to get you down to zero, they will try to eliminate you through the Amazon platform. They'll send emails to the seller support and they will say that you were trademark infringing, and then Amazon might block you from selling altogether. And that is not a position that you want to be in. But I'll tell you that it happens even unfairly in certain circumstances. So you want to make sure that you actually are entitled to use your name. And how do you do that? Well, with a registered trademark. So if registering a trademark is on your mind because you want to take advantage of all the cool Amazon resources that wouldn't otherwise be available to you, then make sure that you are thinking about how to best protect your name. And the first thing that should come to mind is a trademark. Now, I would say that two really cool features of the brand registry are the following. One, you are able to do an image search. So what in the heck does that even mean? So an image search on the brand registry means that you will use an app that is called Transparency. That app allows you to scan a specific product and then it gives you all sorts of information about that product. So that can be really valuable if you think that, for example, your product is being infringed upon. So you can scan that product. Let's say you sell vitamins. And so you scan the picture, the label, the product of those vitamins, and you will be able to see all of the sellers for that product. So that will give you the ability to analyze people who are selling that product, and maybe one of those people is a trademark infringer. You never know, but still, it's one of the really cool features that is not going to be available to you unless you are part of the brand registry. Now, another really cool feature of being a part of the brand registry is that you are going to be able to stop infringers in other countries. So we all know that if you register a trademark in the United States, say, you are going to be offered protection in the United States. So it doesn't mean that your trademark protection extends to other countries necessarily. So what ends up happening is, let's say there's a seller in China and they are selling the exact same product that you are selling, but because they are outside of the United States and they think that our laws are not applicable to them and that you wouldn't be able to protect yourself against them because of their geographical location, that Amazon seller might be more inclined to attempt trademark infringement. So with the Amazon brand registry, someone who has a registered trademark is going to be able to put a stop to that person who is in China selling the exact same product, potentially under the exact same brand, and Amazon is going to be on your side. So those are just two of the features amongst some of the others that I mentioned, but all of this is only available if you have the circle R. So the circle R means that you have a registered trademark. So if you have any questions about how Amazon is going to affect your business, especially as more and more sellers enter the marketplace, then leave me a comment down below, but better yet, send me an email because I love replying to your all's emails. So if this video was helpful, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and that you tell me in the comments below whether you are a seasoned Amazon seller or you're just starting your journey. I appreciate you watching this video and I really look forward to seeing you in the next couple.